Evening folks, quick update on natural gas. I know I haven't done a video for a couple of days, but I've just taken a little break. But this is going to be a 1-minute video and I'll update again tomorrow in some more detail. If you want a bit more detail and some discussion, go and check out my posts on X. Basically, we've got this long-term line. This is a monthly chart on the NYMEX Henry Hub price. Let me just show you where it comes from. I've drawn in these pink circles, which occur just about exactly every 4 years. You can see these 4-year cycles mark the lows and the highs. On this occasion in 2004, it was a low, it was a high there, and it was a low 3 times in a row. Every 4 years on the cycle low, we make a slightly newer low. If we connect those lines with a downward sloping trend line, we end up where we are today at around about 1.27. Until we get there, however, we have the support zone that we've just entered, which is roughly in line with the 2 previous lows. Let's zoom into the week chart. That's how it looks on the week chart. You'll also see on the week chart, I've got this oval drawn on here circling these 3 weeks. I'll zoom into that shortly. Switching to the day chart, you can see that oval again. If I just zoom out on that, you can see this peculiar little pigtail reaching down into support. It is accelerating, so I expect we may see a little bit further to go. If we take this to its natural conclusion, going back to the monthly chart, we'll end up at the bottom of this demand zone, and that's at 1.42. If we extend below the demand zone and touch the trend line formed by these lows which I drew out earlier, currently at this month, that would take us down to 1.26. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So there we are, just reaching down, accelerating a little bit, but generally this move down has been quite slow. Let's have a look at the day chart again. Look at this last number of days since the rollover gap and compare the size of these days to the sort of average, and they're very, very small days, but accelerating. This looks to me like we're going to have to punch a lot lower, see a sharp spike low, a bounce back up again, and then a ride back up to the top of the channel. The 20 moving average, the 50, the 200, and the 100, surprisingly, is above all of them. I'll update again tomorrow in more detail, and of course I'll cover some of the other instruments that I'm trading. Take care, good luck, speak to you soon.